This 2027 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 RBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ladson, South Carolina, 29456 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charleston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.